Hi everyone, this is my warm-up cube, the Gan356X, and yeah, it's broken down. And why I broke it down, you may ask? Well, here's a corner piece. Yeah, that looks disgusting. Here's an edge piece. Still looking disgusting. It's like greasy and stuff. It's horrible. Here's the end piece. Look at the dirt that's in there. How did I let it get this far? Okay, guys. Anyway, we're gonna. Look at this blue nut. It's like dirt inside the blue nut. I don't know why I let it get this far, but I'm gonna clean it. And from my last unboxing, just throw a Speak of Shop sticker on there. Just look really fancy. So yeah, let's get to work. Start the time lapse. Well, finally got all the core pieces done. I haven't even got to the regular pieces. I still got this many pieces left. Here's all the core pieces, everybody. Those are all clean. Here are all the yellow pieces. Those are all clean. Middle layer edges are clean. First layer edges are clean. You're finally ready to start putting it together. And then we have lube over there for the springs and the pieces. And then we have core, and we got our little tool and Speak of Shop stickers. Let's get started. Guys, all done. It is really nice, actually. So it's all clean, as you can see in the internals. Let's try and open those up. It's nice and clean in there. Go ahead and do some solves to break it in, and then I will put on a sticker. Here we go. There we go. Custom Speak Cube Shop Cube. Oh wow, that's really good.